So we're going to look at subtracting fractions with regrouping. So for example, if we had a fraction question where we had 3 1/6 and we were asked to take away 5/6. So we're going to look at how we can use the regrouping strategy to help us solve this problem. So before we actually do that question, we're going to refresh our memories on how we regroup with normal subtraction. So let's say I had 43 and I wanted to take away 25. Now, you guys are very familiar with this sort of subtraction. So if we've got now there 43, okay, our representations of the MOV, we wanted to take away 25. Now we know we've only got 3 ones there, so we can't take away the 5. As you know, we regroup from the higher place values. So we go to the tens, we take a 10 out. So now we've got 3 tens left. We break this 10 up into our ones here. So then we put 10 ones in. So now in our ones column, we have 13 ones. We've taken that 10 out. So now we can actually take away those 5. So we know 13 take away 5, we're left with 8. We've got our 3 tens, take away 2, we're left with 1. So this is the strategy that we're going to be using to solve that fraction question, using our knowledge of regrouping from the higher place value. So let's have a look at this question here. So our question was 3 1/6, take away 5/6. Right. So now I'm going to put my 3 holes on a blue piece of paper, so it's a little bit easier to see because they're white and white doesn't show up on the whiteboard. So there's my 3 holes and my 1/6. I'll pop that out the side there. So I've been asked to take 5/6 away from here. There's only 1 here. So just like we did with our numbers in subtraction, our whole numbers in subtraction, I regroup from the higher place value. So this is the part that I can't do because I can't take 5/6 away from here. So I'm going to regroup from my higher place value. So I take away 1 hole. So now I've got 2 holes left. Now I know this 1 hole that I'm taking away, I'm going to break it up into this place value, which is the fraction part. And I know that if I put 6/6, that takes up that 1 hole. 6/6 is 1 hole. So I've taken the 1 hole out, I'm putting 6/6 in. So now in here, I have 7/6. Still got the same amount because this 6/6 is 1 hole plus this one. I've just written it differently. I've now written it as 2 holes and 7/6. So now that I have my 2 holes and my 7/6, I can actually now take away 5/6. So if we do that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm left with 2 holes and 2 sixths. So let's have a look at another question to help us with that. Let's get rid of this one. All right, so this time we're going to go with 5 2/7. Take away 6/7. Okay, so here's my 5 holes. Put them up a bit higher. All right, and here's my 2/7. All right, so I have 5 holes and 2/7. Now I need to take away 6/7. At the moment, there's only 2 there to take away, so I can't do that. So So like we do with our whole numbers, we go to the next highest place value. So this is the 5. I'm going to take 1 whole out of there. So I've got 4 wholes left. Now I know that 7/7 is equal to 1 whole. So I will now have replace that 1 whole. So I've got 7/7 that equals that whole that I've taken out here. So now altogether, I've got 9/7. I've taken the 1 whole out of there, I've broken it up into 7ths, and I've put it in here to join those 2 7ths. Now I can take away those 6 7ths. There's 2 gone, 4, 6 7ths. So now I'm left with 4 wholes and 3 7ths. And that's how we subtract fractions using regrouping.